your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head.
What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another natural hairstyle for you guys, so if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, let's get right into the hairstyle. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair into two parts. If you don't already follow me on social media, follow me at the Shay Jenny on all platforms. I'm going to tuck away the front, and then I'm going to get to doing the back. So as you can see, I'm just brushing it up. I went ahead and I'm using that Smokkin Hair Gel because I already bought it. It was buy one get one half off. I should have known better, but I went ahead and bought two of them, so I have to use them. It's pretty much a conditioning, or like it's similar to like a conditioning gel. It doesn't give you like a hold or anything. It just gives you like a nice sleek look. So I'm just putting my hair up. I'm using my string. You could use a shoelace. To me, this is just the easiest way to hold all this hair up securely without working too hard to get it up. So I'm just tying it and smoothing it out, and then I'm going to braid, well, not braid, but I'm going to twist the middle and then bend it and put a rubber band. This is going to be my foundation. This is what I'm going to use to get the height that I want. And then I'm just going to put like 5 twists in my hair. Okay, so using that center twist, I'm just going to wrap the twists around it and secure them with a bobby pin. So you can do it as high as you want. You could do it as low as you want. I like it really high and thick. So yeah, this is how I get that look. So this is how it's going to look. Super cute, super high, super thick and chunky, just how I like it. So I'm just going to do a slanted part. I'm going to do the same slanted part on the other side, and I'm going to be sectioning this into 4. So I'm just applying my little hair gel, and then I'm putting the rubber band, and then I'm applying some more hair gel and connecting it to each other. Very simple. Okay, and we're all done. So I'm just going to twist the ends of this, and then I'm going to pin it up, and I'm pinning it up in a crisscross. So this side will be pinned up the opposite way, and the other side will be pinned the opposite way. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going ahead and pinning it, securing it underneath like so. And when I'm done with the other side, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Okay, so for this last section, I'm just going to be sectioning it in like, I think 4 or 5, and I'm going to twist them loosely. Okay, so I'm all done. So the front, you could pretty much freestyle with it. You can pin it however you like, however you like to see it. This is one of the options. You could pin it to the side. But I'm gonna go with my favorite crisscross. Because I love how the crisscross look. You could pin it like this if you like a little side bang. You could pin it to the front if you like a little front bang, but this is how I'm going to pin it. This is how I like it. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing, crisscrossing it over the top like so. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.